Alright.
And now we're going to the...
Setting up GPS again. Shit, this car.
Yeah, we're going to the bird park.
We're going to bird park.
See some birds.
Yeah, we're going to see some birds. It claims to have, it's the biggest walk aviary something.
Yeah,
it's like a free open thing for the birds to fly around and everything. So we gotta catch the bird and we gotta get the photo.
Catch a bird?
Yeah, it's free everywhere.
Okay, we have arrived at what is seemed to be the world's largest bird park. KL bird park.
Yeah.
Show me. Buying tickets.
Alright, we're here. So we're going to the super big cage. Hi birdie. Birdie. Oops. So near. Yellow one. Green one. You wanna eat? Eat it. Oh.
It's scared of me. See how it just... Come on, man.
So many.
They won't let you touch them for some reason.
They won't beat you. So, find one hiding there.
Hello, birdie.
Shawn is taking photo.
We scared the shit out of our heads.
Lucky you can
Come
strap
on,
lottery.
birdie.
So you're the noisy one, huh? We got Mark one. It's pop. Lari. Ah. Weird bird, man. The head's so small, the body so big. We're in the flamingo
Look at this fake, man.
pathway. Look at that. It looks like a fake animal. Hey, look here. Whoa, shit. One just flew over us. Look, there are more. Even the black ones. Look at that. Weird black. See, they're not scared. They're chilling.
Yeah, they keep shaking, yeah.
This is some serious video recording.
You're doing a TV show.
Changeable hawk eagle. I don't know why is it changeable. Is it amazing? This is changeable hawk eagle duck moth. Some cool name lah. And Shawn claims that it looks like Indian.
Alright.
The Malay owl.
Yeah.
My shirt.
Crapped on his shirt. You see the whole
New
line.
man. First time I wore it.
So you're not gonna wear it anymore?
What's like my back kena?
Okay, look at that. Look at that.
Marks.
Yeah, we're gonna focus it. Oh man, it's messed up. Okay, we just took pictures with some bunch of birds.
Yep.
Paid $10.
And we're heading to World Parrot. We got rare species
Rare,
here.
endangered.
Hi birdie. So colorful.
Adrian's about to feed the birds. Milk. Whatever that is. Look at them go. Look at them go.
It hurts.
Oh goodness. Ah, okay, I gotta get a shot.
Look at that. Shit. Oh, the nails are so sharp.
They're fighting for it. They're fighting for it. Oh my god.
You got an angry one. Look at that. Open shirt, very nice. Ooh, get a nice view from here.
Yeah, beautiful.
Look at what we have here. It's a blue-headed cassowary.
Bird show.
For kids.
During the performance, there will be birds passing very good. This also refrains from eating food
Video cruise here.
all our birds are to a minimum last minute.
Look at that.
Anda dilarang makan minum dan main
So young already to have this shit, right?
Hello everybody. How are you guys feeling today?
Yay!
Hi, good. One, good. W-E-L-C-O-M-E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
And next one, more jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Good. One, Rika, come on, all the way to the top. Good one. Fine. All right, guys, stay there. One more time. Arsenal, can I have the first number, please? 6. 8. Okay, guys, can we go with 8? 6 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
And now for the rest of you on the left side, you guys will
Don't go
be
anywhere, I'll
cheering
record
for
you.
Ringo. Okay, on 3, Ringo. You guys must be louder than the other side, even though you are lesser than them, okay?
Alright.
Alright, now let's see that. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Ringo! Ringo! Ringo!
Go! Come on. Come on.
Ringo, is it?
First Ringo from mine. Come on. Second Ringo from mine.
So slow.
Ringo.
Once you're done, put it in front, okay? That's it.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just finished the bird show. It was pretty good. But most of the things are same thing as
Air Famosa.
Yeah, that's how the eggs hatch.
And look at that. They have a right temperature right here. Incubator door.
The one look like dying, this hatch was dying.
Yeah, it's just hatch. Okay. Mummy room. Which means the birds are mummy. Preserved birds which are dead. Clean. It's real but it's already dead. Ah, this one can touch.
Imagine it move.
Ah, it focus. No, I mean, is it real?
Yeah, not real one.
But it's so hard.
Exit the roundabout.
Okay, we're going off to TBS to eat.
Is that in my hair? TBS there? Alright.
Bye.